Hey, good morning, YouTube. It's Kurt, the Welder Dude. Going to get started on the other part of this little project I began here. It's going to be the little cutting table, for the torch and plasma cutter and stuff like that. And this is kind of where I got yesterday. Just basically nothing more than getting some of the pieces cleaned up and ready to go. And still got a long ways to go yet, but I'm going to try and keep this video a little shorter. I might just speed up some stuff, so I don't want to plague you with a bunch of boring stuff. So just see how it goes. Stick with me. do believe it's just about done. Got about all the welding done up on it. I put a little rack on the bottom. I'll probably lay some, I don't know if I'll put plywood in there or something to just throw junk on, extra pieces of steel material, whatever. Out here on this end of it, I hung just a little piece of angle there. It's going to do a needle for a grinder holder or just whatever I can hang like that. Lay the torch on, cutting up here or whatever. So I'm going to do some cleanup on it and throw some Rust-Oleum on here, and still got to drill the holes and put the casters on the bottom of it. I don't have the casters today, or I'd go ahead and get that part done, but right now it's pretty much a cutting table. So that's where we're at the moment. Okay. Still got to clean her up a little bit. That thin material is really tough to weld to without burning through. Got a few bubblegum welds, but for what it's going to do in its life, it'll be just fine. Alright YouTube, well, I've got my little table done with a lot of help from my lovely assistant, usually the camera girl, aka the smoking hot woman. Anyway, enough of that. The table turned out pretty decent. I was going to do it all in black, but you know, as life goes on, I didn't have enough black to get the job done. So I got it partially done in black, and I ran out, and instead of leaving the house on New Year's Eve, I pulled up a can of, it's actually bright orange marker paint, but on top of the black, it kind of gave it a rusty look, which we kind of liked it, so we kept it that way. I just redid it, covered everything with the other paint, and it turned out pretty decent. And there it is in its new home. That's where it's going to sit until I decide to do something else with it. But all in all, it was a decent project. It wasn't a lot of work, and personally I think it turned out pretty good. So again, if you guys like what I'm doing, you know, you're more than welcome to tag along and leave some comments. Let me know what you think, what you would do maybe to make it a better, smoother process. I'm no expert by any means. I just enjoy doing what we're doing. I get to spend some time with my lovely wife and out in the garage and all this good stuff. So I'm just new to the video thing, and I tell you, I enjoy doing this. Actually, I don't do it, she does it. So again, if you enjoy watching these videos, give me some ideas of what you'd like to see done. Maybe we can come up with something and get it started. If you like it, like, comment, and subscribe. And this is New Year's Eve. Here in a few hours, it's going to be 2019. I wish you all the best in the upcoming year. God bless.